Alright, so I think I figured out how to route some of Universal Audio's Luna instruments into my digital audio workstation, which right here is Digital Performer. And so I will walk through that process and how I set that up. So first of all, you go into Luna and you choose instruments you want. In this case, I chose MiniMoog, and I chose the Ravel Piano. And basically what I did is when I chose these instruments, you can see there's an output mapping right here, which I chose as a virtual 1-2. And the output for the Ravel Piano I chose as a virtual 3-4. And basically I went to my console application, and while I'm playing, you can see it's showing up under virtual 1-2. So I took that virtual 1-2 and virtual 3-4, which is what the Ravel Piano should be playing it. And I went to Menu, View, Settings. And under this you can see that virtual 1-2, a virtual 1-2 is going through 1718, and virtual 3-4 is going through 1920. So when I went into my DAW, which is Digital Performer, I went to my bundles routing screen to inputs. I made two inputs, one that goes to 1718 and one that goes to 1920, which is corresponding again to virtual 1-2 and virtual 3-4, which is 1718, 1920. And then, once that's set up, I actually named them so I knew which instrument was going into what, and set my DAW up like I do. So now when I play the Ravel Piano, and I even have a little bit of a reverb send on this so you can hear it. So it functions just like an instrument coming in as audio, basically. And so if I want to, I can just record. Oh, I have to make my track record enabled, obviously, but I can record. And then, if I want to play that back, so that's one way of doing it. And then of course, if I have something I want to play on the MiniMoog here, I can just go into Digital Performer, maybe so I'm just gonna improvise. Okay, that was terrible, but you get the idea, and it records them separately, just like an audio input. So if I want to just play the Moog, now this is just in Digital Performer. Say I made something in Luna, which I have here. I can just it's not syncing up perfectly because they haven't actually set it up to work with other DAWs. But what I can do is play this here, and I can. So let's say I want to actually record it into Digital Performer. I can play it here, and I can just hit record. Okay, and you have them both here. Now, they're not going to be in sync. Or if they are, that just was by accident. But now I have that as audio that I can use in my DAW, and then say I don't want to be playing any instrument here. Actually don't know what I'm saying. But you can just basically use any instrument in your DAW as you wish. And yeah, that's how I patched Luna into Digital Performer.